For me, I absolutely love this job. I've found my niche, as a lot of my friends and family would say. I've found the thing that I'm good at, and I work hard, and it's not really a job to me. I just like to go, even going home, I like to go home and sort of look at things and tinker and just sort of see what I can do. I knew very little about cars or trucks. My dad had a fleet of lorries, and I used to love watching his mechanic work and fixing the lorries. For me, TTS had the best setup. We're in work for 7 weeks, and then we have a full block week of tech, and their facilities were brilliant compared to any of the other techs I've been to or seen. For a new apprentice, you definitely need to be a hard worker, and you can't expect to work on a vehicle every single day. There will be other things you have to do, such as emptying the bins and cleaning. It's just the way it is. Some of the things I enjoy about being a TTS apprentice is you have lots of different options there. So they have the body paint workshop, which I know some people do go for. They have a light vehicle course, and then obviously the heavy vehicle course that I'm on. The best thing about my apprenticeship is the variety of vehicles that I get to work on. As this is a commercial dealership, I work on anything from small cars to vans to the bigger lorries, and I think it's brilliant to learn. Hopefully in the future I would like to go on and complete my level 4, working towards the diagnostic side of things. I would like to still be in the trade down the line, and I would definitely look at possibly the management side of it as well, the likes of a workshop controller, but just see where things take me.